I'm here with Gareth again for day 9 of the Dev Ready Podcast Christmas Guide to AI. Gareth, how can you roll out AI next year without breaking your team?
Ho, ho, ho. I think it was in day 8. I talked about training. So I'm going to say training. Not that many times. And spend time there. Spend time training a team. You'll be amazed about if you invest in training on AI with your team, you'll be amazed at the excitement and energy that's going to come out of your team. And you'll start to see great results because the value of you investing in them, your team experiences that. Plus, it just unlocks new ways of thinking and new opportunities. So teaching the basics of how to use AI and see what potential you unlock in your business.
And training, again, we'll just reiterate the word, training is definitely going to be key because you can tout and yell at your team and say we need AI as much as you want as a business owner. That's not going to do anything unless you've trained your people, educated your staff, you've got the right culture around using AI to accelerate or enhance what they're delivering, not letting them think that they're going to be replaced by an AI, because then you're just putting fear into them and you're going to get the wrong results. So training. That's 9, I think, for the 9th day. So we'll end it there.